Hello, my name's Carmel Giblin and I'm CEO of ICTY Ethical Toy Programme. Women account for over 60% of production workers in toy manufacturing, so we are critical to its success. On the 8th of March, we celebrate women through International Women's Day. Our engagement with female workers told us that creating awareness and capability at management level can be one of the most effective ways to support women in the workplace. We're excited to further build this programme and our other initiatives that support women and ensure that they work in environments that enable them to achieve their full potential.